Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make gluten-free vegan panna cotta blueberry delicious dessert right here. I'm using agar-agar powder. It is completely gluten-free, vegan, and natural, made from seaweed. I'll put a link in the description where I got it. Like I said, this is just super amazing. Usually you can't have gelatin stuff, but this is natural and you can have it and it's vegan. To a saucepan, add in 12 ounces of full fat coconut milk, a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1/2 teaspoon plus a 1/4 teaspoon of agar-agar powder. Now turn your heat on a high heat and start mixing all your ingredients together until it's super combined, and you're gonna wanna bring this to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, I want you to reduce your heat down to a low heat setting so you can simmer it for about 2 minutes. As soon as the timer goes off and it's done simmering, go ahead and pour it into your molds. Fill it all the way up to the top to each mold. After you fill them all up, go ahead and set it aside on the counter. Let it reach a room temp, and then as soon as it reaches a room temp, go ahead and place it into the refrigerator for about 4 hours, or you can leave it overnight. It's your choice, but it will be delicious. After that's been cooled down, go ahead, turn your stove top onto a high heat and add a 1/2 cup of frozen wild blueberries or just blueberries, and then add in 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and go ahead and start mixing it on your high heat. Keep mixing it until it boils and let it boil for about 5 minutes, and then go ahead, turn it off and scoop your blueberry sauce into a glass bowl and set it aside and let it cool down. Now go ahead and pull your panna cotta right out of the fridge and make sure you check it by pressing on it. If it's hard, it is completely ready. That's the way it should look. Go ahead and pop it out of your silicone mold. By the way, you can find silicone molds anywhere in the stores or online. And go ahead, put it onto a plate and put your blueberry sauce all over the top, and you can enjoy and take pictures, show it off to your family. They will never know that this is vegan and gluten-free and refined sugar-free. Any questions, go ahead and reach me on Facebook or Instagram and I'll be happy to answer it.